Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to do fake skip prank on Omegle. So you have to download and install OBS Studio. After that, go to the YouTube and search Omegle loading screen and you have to download one of them. Okay, now I'm gonna open OBS Studio. After that, I am going to add my loading screen video to OBS Studio. So I'm gonna rename it as Omegle loading screen. So after that, I am going to add my webcam. Okay, I have added everything to OBS Studio. So I have missed to tick on loop in Omegle loading screen video. So you have to tick on loop. After that tool, click on Start Virtual Camera on OBS Studio and minimize it. Now open your browser and go to the settings. After that, search camera and go to the site settings. Then go to the camera and select OBS virtual camera and go to the Omegle. Now arrange your browser and OBS Studio like mine. After that, enjoy Omegle. If you want to do fake skip, just hide your webcam on OBS Studio. That's all. Thanks for watching.